Welcome. In front of me is the DJI MIC 2 and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at this product. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Now, because this is purchased in Poland, I have this disgusting little sticker of the instructions in different language. Obviously, the language where it's being purchased in, which is Poland, kind of stuck to the box, which most likely isn't the typical kind of experience that you might get if purchasing it in, I assume, China or US, as both of these languages seem to be already stapled on the package. Rip that apart. There we go. Now, I don't really care about the instructions. I'm just gonna eat it to the side. Actually, before we get in there, let's take a look at the box. We have a couple of information. So we have things like the all-in-one ready to use. Basically, it's kind of like an earbuds coming with the case. High quality audio recording and 18-hour battery life, which pretty good. Then we have intelligent noise cancellation, crystal clear vocals, 14-hour intelligent recording, whatever that is, with 32-bit float, internal recording, some other mumbo jumbo, and then 100 or 250 meter range. If that is the case, that's pretty wild, but okay. Let's just open it up and see what we get. Oh, get a nice carrying pouch. Oh, look at that, and an instruction, I assume, right? Quick start guide. So basically as good of a instruction. Now the casing right here, or the pouch, is rubberized. It looks like they wanted to make it as much waterproof as possible, which is good. So opening it up, we have a charging cable, I assume. It's a Type A to Type C. Next to that, we get a jack. So it's 3.5 to 3.5, both male ends. Next, we have one of these kind of things. A little fluffy ball to basically reduce the popping noise when you're speaking to your mic. A little pack to keep the moisture out. Another replacement fluffy thingy thing. And obviously the entire case with the mic itself. Now it does have a little bit of weight to it. Let's pop that open. Okay, so this is magnetic. Have rubber feet, that's also nice. And then two different mics. Ooh, I really like the design. So you can see it's transparent. That's actually pretty cool design, though it's plastic, so it's gonna get scratched. A little bit disappointing here, but it still looks cool. So here's the second one. Has a little LED right here to signify that it's I assume charged or recording. Ooh, and in here, it's actually pretty neat. That is super light, I want to point that out. So this is almost no weight to it. Okay, interestingly enough, so we have adapters for USB-C and also, I think it's called Lightning for the older Apple iPhones. So that's nice. Now here we have just language selection, so I assume I would need to go through the setup. Let's see. Yoink. Touch screen? Yes, it is a touch screen. Can I disregard the time? Okay, so we have, let's see. Oh, okay, so now that I took it out, you can see that it is showing me the volume output right here, and it's automatically adjusting the what is it, gain, so it won't be capping. Let's see if I put it closer. Is it gonna start capping? Yep, it will. So it does get to the red area, but I assume if I would continue to do this, it would just try to lower it down to somewhere in the middle, so it doesn't like sound blown out. Okay, so by the looks of it, this is the receiver, and you can plug it in using a cable, so in and out, or you can connect it using one of those, like I pointed out, for iPhone or Android, and all you need to do is just remove this and plop that on here, like so. Come on. There we go. And then you can just plug it into your device. Now let's go there. Does it require a little bit of force to get it on there, and getting it off is a little bit more challenging. Do I need to press a button? And actually, out of curiosity, before I do so, can I? They thought of it. Oh my god, that is amazing. So once you put on one of those extensions, you actually don't need to take it off. It's already cut out, so you can just plop it on here with it, so you don't need to screw around with removing it and putting it back on, which is really good design. But anyway, so finishing this off, two different mics, both of them, as you can probably see, will work. See if I can actually remove this so we can get back the, there we go. We can get back the indicators. Oh, I guess it's not going to show just one. Oh, it's not showing anymore. Oh, there we go. So I need to remove it. So if I remove both of those, oh, there we go. You can see it appears with both. Anyway, pretty neat product. Obviously not designed for my kind of use. It's more for, I would assume, outdoorsy, or just more kind of interviews and stuff like that. We can just clip it to your shirt and have it record you. And also it's pretty nice because you can just plug it into your phone and record it straight to your phone. Or I believe you can actually pop in an SD card in here somewhere. Should be, as there was something about SD cards. No, never mind, that was the format, so my bad. So it looks like you, in this case, might need to use your phone for this. But anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, I will be honest, it's first time I'm doing an unboxing of something like that, and I'm not necessarily an audio nut, so don't really know what to say about it. It seems like a premium product, to be completely honest. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.